Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet hair accessories and different beautiful vibrant color and flower colorful combination ideas like headband clips and flower clips, hairstyling pins, different and latest colorful ideas for girls and women. So guys, please see this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and different and latest ideas for a crochet hair flower. Start with the magic ring, then crochet a circle using single or double crochet stitches. So I hope you like it, and layers with different colors and stitch types for texture, and finish by attaching a small button or bead to it to the center.